Evergreen. Candid. New trends in ICSE computer skills for Class 6. File management. Organization of data. Transfer data from one device or drive to another device or drive. Copy data from one device to another device. There may be several situations when you have to copy data from one device to another. The following situations of copying the data may be there. Copying from one pen drive to another pen drive. Copying from hard disk to pen drive. Copying from pen drive to hard disk. Copying from memory card to hard disk, etc. Let us see how the data is copied from one flash drive to another flash drive. Pen drives are portable hard drives that allow for large amounts of data, often several gigabytes, to be transferred quickly and conveniently. Pen drives have no moving parts and therefore can access data quickly, though this is limited by the speed of the USB capabilities of both the drive and the port to the open drive. Next, various file formats. To search for a file or folder, word processor, tabular presentation.
Word processor, mail merge,